Ever feel like you're spending more time entering your transactions into YNAB than actually budgeting them? Like you're trapped in a never-ending cycle of manual data entry, and your precious budget is just waiting? Yeah, me too. Or, at least, I used to. We all know YNAB, or you need a budget, is amazing for getting your finances under control. But let's be real, manually typing every single transaction. It's a drag. And if you're like me, you've got multiple accounts, credit cards, and maybe even a side hustle, making that task seem impossible. But here's the good news, you don't have to. YNAB has powerful import features that can save you tons of time and frustration. Today, we're going to dive deep into how to import your transactions so you can get back to what really matters, making a budget that works for you. First things first, let's talk about connecting your bank accounts. YNAB offers direct import for many banks, which is the easiest and most seamless way to bring in your transactions. Click Add Account and then Link Account. You'll be prompted to search for your bank and enter your login credentials. YNAB uses secure, read-only access, so your data is safe. Once connected, YNAB will automatically import your transactions, usually daily. But what if your bank isn't supported for direct import? Or maybe you prefer to download a file yourself? No problem. YNAB also supports file imports. Most banks allow you to download transaction data in formats like CSV, OFX, or QFX. Download your file from your bank's website. Then, in YNAB, select File-Based Import and choose the file you just downloaded. Now, here's where things get a little technical. YNAB needs to know how to interpret the data in your file. You'll be asked to map the columns in your file to the corresponding fields in YNAB, like date, payee, and amount. Take your time with this step, especially the first time you do it. Once you've mapped the columns correctly, YNAB will import your transactions. Now, you might notice some transactions need categorization. YNAB will try its best to guess, but it's important to review and categorize each transaction to ensure your budget is accurate. And here's a pro tip, use payees effectively. YNAB learns from your payees, so over time, it will automatically categorize more and more transactions correctly, saving you even more time. So, there you have it. Whether you're using direct import or file import, you can drastically reduce the time you spend entering transactions into YNAB. Remember, the key is to connect your accounts, map your columns correctly, and review and categorize your transactions. By automating this process, you can free up your time to focus on what really matters, achieving your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.